something. Okay, this is a test. Let's see what we sound like under the mic. Under the helmet with the microphone under my chin. I should get a lavalier mic, which will connect to the top that I can route in my head. My helmet, I'm sorry. But I need a do-rag. Let's find a do-rag. I guess a ski mask will work. Oh, that's funny. This is a K1 Speed ski mask. I just need something for my fucking hair. I'm gonna start working out like this.
That makes your forehead look hecka big.
That's because this is too small. Dang. Why you trying to get, you trying to get at me?
I'm not, to be honest.
I love it though. That's what I need from my wife, you know what I'm saying? Let's see what we got here. We're just testing.
I'm like done for the day. I don't know what else I want to do.
It's 6:48.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I accidentally stayed 10 minutes longer on my lunch.
That sounds like something you would do.
It was literally an accident. Sounds wild. Sounds like a wild time.
Yeah, sounds like a wild chat. Okay, let me write in a circle real quick and see how this sounds.
Don't hit my Jeep.
I won't, my love. I won't. I parked to the side, girl.
Okay, my taste. Let's walk in. Okay, love you, bye.
Love you, bye. Let's hear how this sounds, y'all. If you can hear me, if you can't hear me, can y'all hear me right now? Because if y'all can hear me, that'd be money. But I don't think y'all gonna be able to hear me like that. All right, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Hold on. We on to something. Let's see. Let's see if it worked. Hold on. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see if it worked. I'll let y'all know in a minute. You're gonna see a video if it do work.